Nisha Kumari and I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we will talk about cover letter. Firstly we will discuss what is cover letter, what is main purpose of that, what are some pros and cons. After that we will discuss how to write the cover letter and what are format of that. In last we will discuss some tips. So now let's get started. So firstly we will discuss what is cover letter. So cover letter is an application. It should be of one-page document that provides a clear and concise idea about the why candidate is best for the job. The main purpose of that is cover letter is show your interest in the job which you are applying for and it interests the employer to read your resume. Now let's discuss about pros and cons. So some pros are be honest and show your skills, ability, experience in that. And some cons are avoid grammatical errors and don't make it too long. So now let's discuss how to write the cover letter. So there will be 4 steps in that. Firstly, we will introduce yourself. Secondly, you can mention the job you are applying for. Thirdly, you can show your skills, experience and knowledge. And last, you can encourage the reader to read your resume. So the essential part is here, the format. So in format, firstly you will mention the contact details. Like in contact detail, firstly you will mention your name in bold letters. Secondly, you can mention your phone number. Thirdly, you can mention your email address or any profile, online profile like LinkedIn. And after that, you can mention hiring manager address and date. Like today's name, manager name, company address and pin code of the company. The third step is that salutation. In salutation, you can write, dear respected sir, ma'am, this is. Okay. And the introduction paragraph is here. So in introduction para, you can mention as a position name with the year of experience. I believe that I am an ideal candidate for the job in your company. You can mention the company name after it. And in second para, you can showcase your ability like I am an adjective worker and in my current position I have successfully achievement. You can mention your achievement in it also. And in final paragraph with a call to action, you can mention like I look forward to hearing from you and you can mention their Gmail and phone number like I can be reached at you through your Gmail or your phone number like XYZ Gmail of that company or any phone number. And in last, you can paste your signature or you can mention your signature over there. So this is all about the cover letter. So some tips for that is always proofread and be careful about the font style and font size, margin and spaces and lining as well. Thank you people. I hope you enjoyed that video and I hope you will like and subscribe to my channel. So do subscribe to my channel if you like this video and thumbs up.